In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy connects on Upwork. If you're a freelancer looking to submit job proposals on Upwork, you know how vital connects are in this process. They allow you to apply to job postings and get your foot in the door with potential clients. So let's walk through how you can purchase them efficiently. First, open your browser and head over to the Upwork homepage. If you're already familiar with navigating the site, this should be a breeze. For newcomers, just type upwork.com in the address bar and hit enter. Once you're on the homepage, ensuring you're logged into your account is key. This is where you'll manage everything related to your freelancing career, including purchasing connects. Next, let's talk about where to find connects. Once you're on the homepage, scroll down until you see the option located at the top right of your screen. You'll notice it says Connects. Just click on this option. It's directly linked to your account profile, summarizing your current balance and enabling you to manage your connects efficiently. The next step is crucial. You'll want to click on the option that says Buy Connects. Doing this action will lead you to a section where you can see your purchasing options. It's laid out clearly and designed to cater to varying needs, whether you're buying in bulk or just a small additional amount to top up your existing balance. Once you've clicked Buy Connects, you'll then need to decide how many connects you actually want to purchase. The platform provides several package options, so think about your current and future needs to make the best choice. This flexibility allows you to align your purchase with your freelancing workflow. After deciding on the amount, it's wise to review the details right before finalizing. At this stage, Upwork will inform you about how your account will be charged for this transaction. It's crucial to understand these details to avoid any surprises later on, ensuring you're well aware of the cost associated with your purchase. Should you have a promo code, now is the time to enter it. Applying a promo code can be a great way to save some money, especially if you're buying connects frequently. Simply input the code in the designated field, and any applicable discounts will be automatically applied. Once all the details are finalized, click on Buy Connects to proceed. This might prompt you to add a billing method if one hasn't been set up already. Upwork accepts various payment methods, so choose one that is most convenient for you. Lastly, confirm your purchase by clicking on Buy Connects again, completing the transaction. Your new connects should appear in your account shortly afterward. And there you have it, a seamless process to acquire more connects, enabling you to apply for more jobs and expand your opportunities on Upwork.